Hey guys, what is up? A very good morning and welcome to another daily market outlook. So this is one of the last daily market outlooks of the year before we switch over to the educational videos. So make sure to enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. And without further ado, let's just dive straight in. So as you guys can see, last week was a absolute terrible week towards the end of it. Looking at it, just complete range. However, we were right and we were at the right end in some way, because remember what I said about this area of resistance. That was the area of resistance that I was expecting to get met, and as you can see, we met resistance, and it seems like we're going to start retesting it once again. So let's see if we can break past it. If we can't break past it, I am expecting finally a push back down in towards lows, first of all in towards 95.183 and after that in towards 94.250. So yeah, that is it, pretty simply said. Diving towards the daily, we have some daily liquidity located over here and daily liquidity located over here. Yeah, I'm kind of waiting for those levels to get hit before we start moving in towards higher areas of supply located over here at around 98 and in the highs of that. But of course, we also have a swing high located over here, so I wouldn't be surprised if we take out that swing high before seeing any pullback form. What I'll be doing is I'll be focusing on the lower time frame, looking for those trend switches, looking for liquidity grabs, etc, etc. But for now, what I know is that we have lots of resistance over here. So let's see if we can see one final push just a little bit higher before tanking down lower. So yep, that's dollar index. Let's over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar, guys, so Aussie dollar is currently located at that swing low which I pointed out, and Aussie dollar has flipped bearish. So last week or the week before, I was mentioning that this was structure on Aussie dollar, taking out the highs, making higher highs and higher lows. So higher high over here, higher high over here, of course, higher low, and we were expecting a potential higher low somewhere over here. However, structure has now changed, and what has happened, we have taken out this low over here and we have taken out demand located over here. So Aussie dollar is of course very bearish. However, after a break of structure, what do we expect? We expect a pullback, because price can't just start dumping forever, right? At a certain point in time, after a very long dump, we'll see is a nice pullback. So what I'm waiting for at the moment is the initiation of that pullback. So where could the initiation of that pullback start occurring from? Well, from this swing low over here at around 0.69913. So let's see if that starts happening. What I'll start looking for are 4-hour changes in character. So a 4-hour trend switch before expecting further upside. Once that 4-hour trend switch occurs, then we can start looking for those longs. So yeah, let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, guys, so euro dollar, looking at the daily, has flipped bullish internally, but we are still bearish, of course, once reacting to areas of supply, etc. But what we can see over here is that if we focus on market structure in this specific fashion, what we know is that this high got broken over here by this high. So essentially what you're seeing over here is a push up, push down, push up, push down, now once again a push up. This is the higher low, this is the high, so this is your swing range. So if we look at the 4-hour, it will become more clear, because on the 4-hour what you can see is a push up in towards that high. And let me just remove all the drawings for you guys to make it a little bit more clear. If you focus on the 4-hour, what you'll see is that uptrend, right? So high, high, low, and now potentially a new low. So we have lots of liquidity which we are coming close into at the moment. We also have a beautiful swing low located over here. So let's see if we can take out that swing low, tap in towards 15-minute demand, and then just see that reversal back up in towards the upside. Euro dollar has been nice in some way last week. If we just purely look at 15-minute liquidity, as you can see, supply got taken out, supply got taken out, supply got taken out, and now once again supply got taken out. So let's see if we can react to demand now over here, take out that swing low over here, and then yeah, just see that reversal back up in towards the upside, towards this area of supply which has not yet been taken out, alongside these equal highs where liquidity lies above. So yeah, that's euro dollar. Let's go to pound dollar. And pound dollar, guys, so pound dollar, not expecting that much, to be honest. From it's a very unclear pair, let me put it that way. Looking at the overall market structure, we are near some wicks over here, so we could see that pullback occur. But what we need to see is essentially a change in character on the 4-hour, but we have some supply located over here. So let's wait if we grab liquidity from that area of supply before, for instance, once again heading down lower, because that is daily supply. Yeah. And let's see if we grab supply from there to start moving down lower, because at the end of the day, pound dollar is just extremely bearish and you don't want to be fighting that bearish trend. So yeah, let's head over to Kiwi Dollar. And Kiwi Dollar, guys, so Kiwi Dollar has been pushing down lower, as I mentioned last week. Not a lot going on, just going to be waiting for Kiwi Dollar to start reaching in towards 0.66909 before looking for those longs back up. So yeah, let's head over to our last pair, which is gold. And gold, guys, so gold is still inside of daily liquidity. Still expecting a December bull run up in towards the highs, breakout of this descending kind of like channel. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm waiting for. So maybe a pullback before start seeing that bull run of December, because December is always a very good month for gold. So let's see, most of the times it's toward the mid December that starts becoming really good for gold. So let's wait and see if that bullish trend starts flowing in. So yeah, that's it for gold, guys, and I wish you all a fantastic day. Thank you for tuning in once again, and I wish you all a fantastic trading day. Thanks, guys.